Finding a partner in the wild is a process for most animals and involves a lot of movement and positioning by either party to attract their partners. Some animals mate for short periods and move on to another partner during a change of season or migration, but for some they mate for life. In today's video, we'll look at some animals that mate for life and their courtship process. Like and subscribe if you enjoy the content. The bald eagle is a mighty creature that can fly up at 30 miles per hour and dive at speeds at 100 miles per hour. In the wild, bald eagles mate for life and attract their partners by engaging in aerial displays. During their courtship period, where the birds develop and strengthen their bond, one can see them performing the cartwheel courtship flight, where they lock their talons, perform a cartwheel up high and fall to the ground only to separate at the last minute. Another courtship ritual is the roller coaster flight, where one of the birds dives low and pulls up high. In strengthening their bond much further, both parties help in building their nest. After copulation, female birds lay between 1 to 3 eggs. From the sea is the seahorse, which is the animal known to have the male bear the young ones. Before finding a suitable mating partner, they perform one of the most wonderful rituals, which involves dancing and mimicking the moves of the other partner, changing colors and their tails getting entwined sometimes. They are known to perform this dancing every morning. In order to bring forth their young ones, the female releases their eggs into the male brood pouch, which he fertilizes with his sperm. The male seahorse takes weeks before giving birth and can give birth to over 1,000 babies. The coyote is a species found in North America known for their constant communication, which involves growling, barking, and howling. As monogamous animals, they attract their partners, and in most cases the female has many male suitors and makes various calls and respond to some to attract suitors. During this period, the males must win the female by luring her while trying to disperse other competitors. In one instance, a male was able to lure the female by presenting her with a meal, making him the perfect suitor for her. The males continue to guard and stay by the female during their heat period. Lovebirds are a small group of parrots native to Africa, and just like their name, they are super affectionate towards each other. The lovebird courtship rituals involves luring the female by regurgitating food and trying to feed the female from its mouth. The male continues to get extra close to the female and pushes for her to feed from his mouth. As part of gaining the attention of the female, they preen the female, which is the process of cleaning their feathers. The female accepts the male as its mating partner when she also reciprocates the act. The action of preening and feeding from the mouth continues for life. Many animals around the world engage in monogamous relationship and will always return to their partners even after a migration. They also stay with their partners when they become sick and will only seek another partner when the situation gets worse or the partner dies.